Join me in exploring the last 100 years of Christmas celebration, where in Jukebox Journey we will be exploring the Christmas decades from the 1920s to the present and even celebrating Christmas future. In Jukebox Journey Christmas Decades, students will be learning what some of the Christmas songs that were written in each decade, beginning in the 20s, 1920s that is, all the way to the present. Plus, they will learn some fun Christmas traditions, popular gifts at that time, silly Christmas tree fads. Each decade includes a slide, making it super easy for lesson planning and using for distance learning if needed. These slide links will bring you to games, activities, music, and even some dance breaks. Let's not forget about celebrating Christmas in the future, where students will compose a melody, their own Christmas melody, in their Christmas composition challenge. Jukebox Journey Christmas Decades will give you approximately 4 more hours of material. However, you do not need to use all the games and activities in each slide. Just go through the links and see what you want to use with your students. I hope your students enjoy learning all about Christmas and celebrating Christmas the last 100 years.